مرحبا بكم في قناة هاوتاتس التعليمية. ادعم القناة بالاشتراك وتفعيل الجرس والإعجاب.
Mega Goal 3. 1. 2 is better than 1. 9. Speaking. Think about your relationship with a friend. What can you offer each other?
I can offer my friend support, understanding, and companionship. I can also offer advice and help when needed. I believe that a strong friendship is based on mutual respect and trust, and I strive to foster these qualities in all of my friendships.
How does it help your friend?
By offering my friend support, understanding, and companionship, I can help them feel valued and appreciated. My advice and help can also provide them with guidance and assistance in times of need. Additionally, by fostering a relationship based on mutual respect and trust, I can help my friend to feel secure and accepted.
What can your friend offer you?
My friend can offer me the same qualities I offer them: support, understanding, and companionship. They can also offer me advice and help when needed, as well as a sense of security and acceptance.
How does it help you?
By receiving the same support, understanding, and companionship from my friend, I can feel valued and appreciated. My friend's advice and help can also provide me with guidance and assistance in times of need, and their acceptance can help me to feel secure.
You are a wise person.
Thank you. I strive to learn from my experiences and those of others, and to use that knowledge to make the best decisions I can.
2. Influential people. 9. Speaking. Think about how you can be successful in your life without depending on others.
I believe that success is a journey, not a destination. It's important to set goals and strive to reach them, but it's also important to be open to new opportunities and to make the most of the resources available to you. I believe that by working hard, staying focused, and staying positive, I can achieve the success I am striving for without having to rely on others.
What are you good at?
I'm good at problem solving, engineering, and communication. I'm also good at math, which helps me in my engineering work. I'm also a good listener, which helps me in communication.
How can you use your strengths to develop?
I can use my strengths to develop by continuing to hone my problem-solving skills, engineering skills, and communication skills. I can also take advantage of opportunities to learn new things and gain new skills. Additionally, I can practice using my strengths in new and creative ways to push myself further.
Which areas or skills can you develop?
I can focus on developing my problem-solving skills, engineering skills, and communication skills. I can also work on improving my math skills and expanding my knowledge of different engineering topics. Additionally, I can work on honing my creativity and developing my leadership skills.
How long will it take to reach your goal?
It depends on the goal. I believe that with hard work and dedication, I can reach my goals in an appropriate amount of time. It may take weeks, months, or even years, but I am confident that I can get there with the right mindset and effort.
3. What will they think of next? 9. Speaking. Think about space tourism in the future. Do you think it will happen? Why? Why not?
I believe space tourism will become a reality in the future. With the advances in technology, I think space travel will become more accessible and affordable to the general public. Additionally, the space industry is constantly innovating, making space travel safer and more efficient. Finally, I believe the human desire to explore and experience the unknown will drive the development of space tourism.
What do you think some of the advantages and disadvantages will be?
Advantages. Space tourism can increase public interest and awareness in space exploration, resulting in more investment in the industry. Additionally, space tourism can help create new jobs in the industry, as well as introduce new technologies and services. Disadvantages. Space tourism can be expensive, and there are potential risks involved. There is also the issue of environmental damage and the potential for tourism to disturb the natural order of things in space. Additionally, there could be legal and ethical implications if space tourism increases and becomes more widespread.
What about the involved transportation, accommodation, cost, and advertising?
Transportation and accommodation costs are likely to be significant factors in the success of space tourism. Airlines and other travel companies will need to invest in reliable and cost-effective transportation options for tourists. Additionally, hotels and other accommodation options in space will need to be developed in order to provide tourists with comfortable and safe places to stay. Advertising will also be important, as space tourism companies will need to market their services in order to attract customers.
What is your final opinion about space tourism?
Overall, I think space tourism is an exciting and potentially lucrative industry. While there are some risks and challenges, I believe the potential rewards outweigh the risks, and that space tourism can be a successful enterprise.
4. The world of TV. 9. Speaking. Name 2 TV films or documentaries that you have seen.
I have seen The Shawshank Redemption and The Godfather.
Can you compare them?
The Shawshank Redemption is a drama about a man who is wrongly imprisoned and his journey to freedom. The Godfather is a crime drama about a powerful family dynasty. Both films are classics and highly acclaimed.
Think about the characters, settings, plot, story, development, special effects, and the features in the TV films.
The Shawshank Redemption has a very simple character setting, with a focus on the 2 main characters and a few supporting characters. The plot is centered around the protagonist's journey of hope and redemption. The Godfather has a more complex character setting with a wider cast of characters and a more intricate plot. The story development is very well done, with a focus on family dynamics and the power of loyalty. Special effects are not a major feature in either film, but The Godfather does have some iconic scenes that feature special effects.
What about the theme, setting, time period, history, special effects, and custom outcome in the documentaries?
The Shawshank Redemption has themes of hope, freedom, and justice. The setting is a prison in the US in the 1950s. The Godfather's themes include loyalty, power, and family. The setting is a large Italian-American family in New York City in the 1940s. Special effects are not a major feature in either film, but The Godfather does have some iconic scenes that feature special effects. Both films explore customs and traditions in their respective time periods. The outcome of both films is ultimately positive, with the main characters achieving redemption and justice.